Hello students, I am Padma Ramanamurthy, Director, Faculty, PACE, Competitive Academy, Dwarkanagar, Vishakhapatnam. So, today our reasoning topic is syllogisms. In syllogisms, already in previous video we discussed about all, A. Now today let us discuss with the sum, this I. Sum means what is that? Particular positive. In particular positive, these four varieties may exist. So, I plus A comes as I plus E comes as O, I plus I no conclusion, I plus O no conclusion. So, see here, if one statement particular conclusion particular. Clear my dear student? So one statement particular, conclusion should be in a particular. So in this case, one is particular. This is particular positive. This is universal positive. So that's why I plus A comes as I. I means the conclusion should be in a particular. In this case, I plus E comes as O. In this case, what is this? One statement particular and one statement negative, conclusion particular negative, because both characters should be clubbed as a particular negative. So if one statement particular, conclusion should be particular, one statement particular, one statement negative, the conclusion should be in a O. O variety means that is particular negative. If all the statements are particular, so that means no conclusion. Clear my dear students? And here is also no conclusion. So see here the four conditions are: one statement particular, conclusion should be particular. One statement particular, one statement negative, the conclusion should be in particular negative. If all the statements particular, no conclusion. This way is also all the statements particular, no conclusion. So let us discuss about each category. So first discuss the I plus A comes as I only. So see here, this is the statement. So sum P is Q. And second statement, sum Q is R. So in these two cases, what is the middle term? Q. That is in predicate of the first statement and subject of the second statement. So what we discussed in previous earlier videos, the position of the middle term. The position of the middle term is correct, right, and sorry, this is all. R Q is R. So one is particular, one is universal positive. Now let us check the conclusions. So the first one is PC. PC means what is called perfect conclusion, that is given by the examiner. So how we can draw the particular perfect conclusion? From the subject of the first statement and predicate of the second statement. Clear my dear student? So definitely your answer should be sum P's R. And coming back, so this is immediate inference II. So R should be converted into sum only. So sum R is P. Clear? And next one, conversions. In sum, how many conversions are there? Only one. This is also discussed in previous video. Sum Q is P. And all how many conclusions are there? Conversions cases? 2. So first one is sum R is Q. And sum Q is R. Clear my dear students? So this is all example for I plus A comes as I only. Clear? And next variety we discussed I plus E. I plus E comes as O. Because one is particular, one is negative. The conclusion should be in particular negative. So that's why I plus E O. So see the example. So some car is van And next one, no van is a jeep. See here, the conclusions. First conclusion is PC. PC means O. So, first subject to predicate. So, you can say the answer, some car is not a jeep because this not is denotes as a O, particular negative. And coming back, so there is no II. So in O cases, O, so note here, O is at answer level, no II. No II means no immediate inference. Very important point, this one. Clear? And next one, conversions. So, how many conversions we are having? Only one conversion. So, that is some van is car. And know how many conversions we are having? 3. This is also we discussed in the previous video. Okay. So, no van is jeep means you can say the answer no jeep is van. And again, some jeep is not a van. And again, some van is not a jeep. Clear, my dear students? So, these are all the valid conclusions for this variety. I plus E. Okay. And next, let us start the third variety of I. The third variety of I is I plus I. If all the statements are particular, there is no conclusion. So, see here, I plus I, no conclusion. Suppose example in statement, some white is yellow. And next, second one, some yellow is green. So, see here, the position of yellow is okay, fine. So, but there is no conclusion means we cannot draw the PC and also we cannot draw IA. So, there is no PC, no IA because no conclusion. Only conversions are possible. So, only conversions means some white is yellow. You can say the answer, some yellow is white. Clear? And next one, some green is yellow because in some variety we are having only one conversion. These two are the exact conclusions for this variety. Only we can draw conversions. Clear, my dear students? And next variety, the last variety of I is I plus O. I plus O also no conclusion. So see example, some orange is banana. And next, second one, some banana is not apple. So see here, banana, banana. The position of middle term is also okay. But no conclusion means you cannot draw PC, you cannot draw IA. So whatever the two statements clubbing answers, you cannot get that one. So in that case, no PC, no IA. Only possibility conversions. So in conversions, you know, some orange is banana means only one conversion. So that is some banana is orange. Clear? And next, some banana is not apple means only one conversion. Some apple is not banana. Only these two cases, these two conversions are possible for this type of variety. Clear? So, I is completed. So, just make a practice. Thank you.